Bird, you're gonna be missed. Hold on. I said something. Now you guys go. No. Thank you, William. Here, come on. Really? You stole that moment from me? Get out of here. Come here, William. Okay, Ella, how about you? Thanks, buddy. You're awesome. Nothing to say? Okay. Landon, you were last.
This wouldn't have been my last time seeing her. It would be my 5th. And I'm sad that she died.
Okay. Thank you. Oh. Back in the dirt you go, Bird. Just kind of scrape it from the side.
Make it flat. What's going to be the flat stone?
No, не надо такой big one. Ella, are you really gonna just put the shovel over that? Come on.